by default in developer mode. This will not be on. I'm now on Xiaomi phone, Redmi basic phone, and here I'm showing you the settings. You see this setting. Once I click here, about phone, click here, and what I have is a Redmi Note 11. You can see here, and here on operating system version, press 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It shows you are now a developer. So once this is done, let me go back. Once we come down, scrolling down here on additional settings, click here, scroll down. You see this developer option, click here, and then developer option shows on. So your basic configuration with the mobile is done. Anytime you want to come out and keep this off, once you go up, same with developer option, once you close it down, next time if you have to enable, you have to come the way I had shown at the start.